Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a chain 1 picot. Okay, so this is how it starts. Chain 1 and you do a single crochet in the next stitch. Okay, so in the beginning stitch, okay, the chain 1 is not counted. And I'm going to show you chain 1 picot leaving a few stitches. So let's do it, let's show you the chain 1 picot after every 3 stitches. So one stitch is already done, second single crochet, third single crochet, and then for chain 1 picot you do a chain 1. Okay, and you see this front loop of the top post of single crochet and the side loop of the same single crochet. So you insert your hook over here, you insert it in this side loop, then you yarn over and pull yarn through all 3 loops on the hook, all 3. So this is how a bead like thingy which is called a chain 1 picot is formed. I'll show it to you one more time. So single crochet in next stitch, single crochet in next stitch, in one more stitch, chain 1, then insert hook in the front loop of same single crochet and also in the side loop of the same side bar of the same single crochet, then yarn over and pull yarn through all 3 loops on hook. So single crochet again, single crochet 3 times, and I'll do it one more time. Chain 1, insert hook in this bar, in this bar, yarn over and pull yarn through all 3 loops on hook. And this is how you complete a chain 1 picot. See how nice and beady it looks, it's like a as if you have put beads on the end. This is how chain 1 picots are done on single crochet. Or if you want to do it on DC, it's simple. Okay, on DC it will be that is double crochet, it will be like this. Let me just show it to you. Chain 1 and this bar, the top front loop and the side bar, and yarn over and pull yarn through all 3 loops on hook. If you're doing it for half double crochet, so for half double crochet it will be done like this. Chain 1, okay, here there will be a chain 1, insert hook in the front loop, in both the side bars, okay, side bars of the half double crochet, and yarn over and pull yarn through all 4 loops on hook. For half double crochet it will be different. Otherwise for DC, that is double crochet and single crochet, it is only the side 2 bars. Okay, chain 1, yarn over, no, not yarn over, insert hook in this and in this 2 bars, yarn over and through all 4 loops on hook. So this is how you do the beaded kind of chain 1 picot. I hope you like the tutorial. Have a nice day. Bye bye. See you all.